So first we have La Bamba, the C chord, then F, and I have my fingers back just to show you I don't play that way, okay? And then this finger stays in position and we go to G7. So it goes C, 2, F, 2, G7, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, F, 2, G7, la, 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 la. C, 2, F, 2, G7, la, 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 la. C, F, G7, and so on, okay? Now, we also did the key of G, so we've got G, C, D7. Thumb on the back of the neck, wrist bent out, and wrist up high a little bit, okay, as opposed to this. That puts you right in position, bunny ears, and that means that'll put your middle finger on the first string by your knee, this finger on the third string, and then the ring finger goes out on the second string. That's a G or G major. You already know the C chord. The D7, you take the ring finger off, you leave these two fingers touching for now so that you won't twist them around. Pick them up gently, move them up towards your chin a little bit. Now we're on string 2 and 4. That's D7. To get back to G, do the same thing. Pick them up, slide them down. We're on 1 and 3. Put the ring finger out. There's G, D7, G. So now we'll do Sloop John B. It's mostly G to D7, but they use the C once. We sail